welcome to it. Welcome to another weekly vlog. It's actually been a while since we've done this, so I'm happy to be back in front of the camera chatting with you guys all week long. Took a little break there, I got a little burnt out, and then also my camera is like, well, the old one, I'm on a new one right now if you can't tell, was falling apart and it was just not well. I had to bang it on the counter to get the batteries out. The SD card kept getting stuck, so I figured it was time to upgrade, and I am loving it. This is actually the first clip that I'm filming on this new camera, and okay, wow, I am obsessed. It's actually Tuesday that we are starting this vlog off, and I've actually already had myself a day. First, yesterday on Monday, I went over and visited a friend and we walked and got lunch, and it was really fun, so that was great. Now today, this morning, I went over to my parents' house and I worked from home with my sisters for a few hours. We got some work done, and then I went to the grocery store, and now I'm back home and I have a very fun, exciting Zoom call that I'm getting on in about 10 minutes. Can't wait. I have no idea what it's about, and I don't even know if I'll be able to tell you guys about it, but I'm really excited. So let's put away some groceries and then get ready for this Zoom call. Okay, just got off the call, eating some leftovers for lunch, watching some YouTube. Okay, everybody, I've just come out to my office. I have my little Dr. Pepper here, and I'm going to film a video now about this camera. I'm doing the ending of the unboxing video and like testing out the different lenses and stuff, so I need to film that, and then I need to film part of the video about the new Apple Events app, which is what I just found out was released this morning, so that was exciting. I'm actually very excited about this app. It's basically an app where you can create an event and invite people to it and have like shared photos album in it, a shared playlist, and like actually have details of whatever event you're doing. So I think I'm gonna make one of our Super Bowl party that we're hosting this weekend and see how that goes and just test it out like that. So I'm going to peace out, head over to that different content, and then I'll come back to you guys later. Okay, everybody. Just finished filming some videos, and I feel like I've done enough to be done for today. I've also been on the phone with our internet company all day, on and off today, because I've talked about this a million times, but our Wi-Fi doesn't reach all the way out to my office, and it does sometimes, only when it wants to. It's very spotty. It's very frustrating, like getting on Zoom calls out here and then cutting out and having to go inside. So I just honestly take all my Zoom calls inside nowadays, just because I don't want to risk falling off and losing connection out here. So I called to see if there was a solution we could figure out for this, and basically they're gonna try a few different things. I have extenders, but they're gonna try their brand of extenders, and then they're gonna quote to see if we can dig a whole new line, and quote us also to maybe dig and add a piece of a line to our existing line, because it's just like the opposite end of the property. So yep, we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. Wish us good luck. It's gonna be probably a nightmare to deal with, but we'll see. Maybe it'll be worth it. But now it is, what day even is today? It's still Tuesday. I need to write in my planner, plan out my week, and then really badly need to answer inquiries for weddings. I have like 6 that I need to get back to that I've been putting off for days, almost like a whole week now. So kind of want to stay out here and keep grinding stuff out, but it's like so cold out here in my office right now. Maybe I'll just get a blanket. Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Currently all ready in the car, and I'm waiting for Kylie to get here. She is coming with me, and we're going to a little Galentine's Day brunch themed thing with some new friends. I'm really excited. I have on my little maroon color. We're all kind of dressing in Valentine's Day colors, but it's like this cute little brunch place. I've been before and it was really cute, but they did like different themes on each day for Valentine's Day. So I think today's like a wine tasting. I'm excited. And then after that, we are going to go shopping. So we are going to go to Costco, to Home Goods, and then a few other smaller local businesses. So I'm really excited. Having just a mini girls day, but also it's stuff I need to do. Like I need to get stuff for the Super Bowl party at Costco. Okay, we're running late. It's making me anxious. So I'm gonna end this and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody! Woo! Jellycat reveal! So we got Jellycats. This is my first Jellycat I've actually bought before, so it's so cute. We got twinning ones, so cute. I really wanted the bunnies with the colorful floral ears, and they had 2 and they're pink. So cute. So cutie. And now we're going to go to Home Goods and then Costco. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, back home. We went to Costco and got some stuff. Here's some of it in the background, but just got home and I got a really cool package. At first I thought it was something that I ordered because I ordered a new camera that I've been filming on and it had like 3 parts with it and one of the parts didn't ship, so I thought this was the extra part. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks more like a PR package from Sony. Instead, it says send with love. Valentine's Day? So I thought maybe we could open it together. Oh, shut your mouth! Oh my gosh! Not the tortilla chips. Oh my gosh. First, it's the smoky pink headphones. Oh my gosh. And then some other things. There's no way! Okay, I just got the actual cutest PR package from Sony, so let's open it together. I already took a look at it and literally screamed when I realized that it wasn't something I ordered. So I thought maybe we could open it together. Oh, shut your mouth! The smoky pink headphones. Oh my gosh. So cute. You're kidding. Oh my gosh. You're joking. Shut up. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This was such a well thought out PR package and now I just have to unbox these and see this new smoky pink color with my own eyes. Thank you, Sony. Well, everybody, happy Thursday. I am actually having the best day ever. Well, not really, kind of. It's a great day because I'm finally getting Wi-Fi out in my office. If you guys are usuals here on this channel, you would know I complain about not having Wi-Fi out in my office like every single day. I tried getting my own little, what are they called? Extenders. Those didn't work, so I called my Wi-Fi company and they gave us a few different options, but we ended up actually drilling a hole in the house, running another wire from our router up over the roof and then into my office, and then drilling a hole to get it into my office. So yeah, we did, it was a little bit much, but we just tested the Wi-Fi speed and it's literally, I was getting, if you guys know anything about this, I was getting like 30 maybe max download and then like 10 upload, but now I'm getting 541 download and 529 uploads. So that's an insane difference. Like, I'm so happy. I think I'll finally be able to do Zoom calls out here and take my meetings and upload videos and actually work out here. So that's so exciting. And then another, oh my gosh, house problem. I don't know if I even told you guys about this. I think I did a while ago in a weekly vlog back in like December, November, but basically we've had water issues with our water. First off, our well had a crack in it, so we had to get a piece of our well replaced. That was back in, I think, November, December. Then we've had water smelling horrible, like rotten eggs with our hot water. So the guy that did our well came back and bleached it out for us and shocked it or whatever, so that maybe that would solve it. And it solved it for like a month because maybe it was just like leftover stuff from when he replaced the well. But obviously it wasn't. So now we have somebody coming out today and they're going to fix the anode rod. I don't know. They're gonna go and check that out though. We'll replace it so that we won't have stinky water anymore. So we're getting a lot done. It's a very productive day, but I'm gonna go back inside now. I had to put the dogs out here in my office because they go crazy whenever we have people in the house. They like freak out. Also I took my Christmas tree down. I was just like doing random tasks and cleaning when we had all these internet guys in and out of my office in my house. So really just getting a lot done. But now we need to go inside and wait for the water guy. All right, update for all of you who are curious. Not only do we have to completely replace our water heater, he couldn't even get the rod out. It was so stuck in there. We also, too, have to get an entire new bathroom sink and vanity. Wow! I'm not even, I wish I was joking, but I'm not. Here's the problem. Our guest bathroom sink stopped working. And we thought it was just built up in the drain from when we had to have our whole well bleached and everything. So he got it off and there was no buildup to be seen. So he thinks the whole faucet itself is clogged. So now we have to replace the whole faucet. And I was like, well, I've kind of been wanting to get rid of this ugly thing anyway. So now we're just gonna replace the whole thing, the whole sink. Except I'm struggling because everything that I'm finding online, our sink is on the right side, but all the cute ones, the sink is on the left side. And I don't really know if we can like move the whole plumbing around, so now I got to brainstorm what to do. I thought maybe if I just got like a normal one where there's no space here, but then what would we do with this little space here, like put a shelf still. I don't know, we like having all this space, so don't know. I got these from Costco yesterday. So excited. So I'm going to pour this in my new cup from Anthro. Well, from Sony, from Anthro. It's all right, pretty good. Hello everybody, it is Friday. Just got like lightly ready into some comfy clothes, but did my hair and makeup a little bit. Got a nice little French braid here. It's not my best work, but it'll do. We're just running into town and I need to drop something off at the jewelry store that I accidentally took, and then go to the grocery just for some last minute Super Bowl things that I'm scared like we won't have enough food. I always do this before we host something, so I'm gonna get some of that. And then I have a friend coming from out of town that's gonna come stay with us for the weekend, so I'm gonna get some of her favorite snacks and stuff. And then we need to get home and start like cleaning the house and prepping, and that bedroom is then like a very big collector of all of our junk and laundry and stuff that just needs to be put away, so we need to tackle that later so that we can have that ready for her when she arrives in literally 6 hours. Oh my gosh, okay, we need to go. Also, I got this little trench from Target on Black Friday. I think I got it for like $40, and I've been loving it all winter. It's not like the warmest like my normal winter coats, but it's so cute, and it actually just makes my little outfits look so cute. All right, dropped back off, stopped in, saw the fam. It is actually a jewelry store my family owns, so now we need to go to the grocery store. Okay, everybody, I've been filming for my Super Bowl Apple Invites video that I thought would be a fun one, so that's where I've been a lot of the day, but currently I need to go leave in about 15 minutes to go pick up my friend from the airport. We're gonna pick up Macy. So excited! But I kind of want to like try and prep as much of dinner as I can, so when I get back here, we just have to stick it in. So, we have 15 minutes. We'll see if we can get it done. Hi everybody, it is now Saturday. Sorry, Macy got here and we just got so carried away in conversation that I completely forgot to vlog, but that's just the best kind of people to be with, okay? Now it is Saturday, late afternoon. Currently set up just a little bit for the party tomorrow, but I am actually heading out. Just got packed up. We are going to Kylie and Hunter's apartment for a girls' night with Kylie and Macy since Macy's in town. We're gonna do like a little Galentine's Day type of theme. So I'm so excited. It's actually like pretty bad roads right now, so hopefully we make it there safely. I'm sure we will. But yeah, there's like freezing rain today. Wish us safe travels, I guess. But yeah, let's go to Galentine's Day.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to